Hello everyone! So today we're going to talk about the DS3231. This is basically an integrated circuit that keeps track of time, and it is a high accuracy real-time clock in that it has a crystal oscillator, so it does measure time very precisely. So I'm opening it now. I bought actually 3 of those to keep it a little bit cheaper. If you buy more, you pay less. And how it works, it keeps continuously keeping track of time because it has a coin cell battery, as you can see here. And this one will go on and on for a long time. So you don't have to worry that it's connected to Arduino or not. It's just keeping track of time all along until the battery dies, and that can last quite a while. So on this side here you can see the actual pins. SCL is serial clock and SDA means serial data. These 2 pins are used for communication. We have the 2-wire protocol in that the SCL, it gives sort of the rhythm for the data transmission, and the data transmissions occur through the SDA. So it is the I2C protocol. And as usual, you have the VCC for power and the ground. So now the next step is wiring. So now we're going to the code part. The first thing you need to do, in case you haven't installed RTClib yet, is to install the RTClib in your Arduino IDE. And then you include WireH and RTClib in your code, and these 2 libraries, they're very important and you need both of them. So the first one, WireH, is responsible for the 2-wire protocol or for the I2C communication. And on top of that, the RTClib is built, and it does make sure that you can send or receive bits through SCL and SDA. And it provides also all the functions that you'll need to use, like begin and now, as we're going to see in a minute. So the first thing you do is to declare the RTC variable, and that variable is of type RTC DS3231 because the DS3231 is our model, our precise model of real-time clock. Next thing we do is we validate our real-time clock. Our RTC has a couple of functions that are available. So we first are going to use the begin function just to check if the RTC can even start. In case it cannot, then we just print some message to the serial monitor, like you can't even start, so it's just stop. And the second validation we're doing is if it lost power. If this evaluates to true, then again we're going to print something to our serial monitor. And the next thing we're going to do is to basically adjust the time. We're going to use the adjust function, and we're going to set this to the date and time of the compilation time, basically. The last part now in the loop, we just declare the variable now. So we use the now function of the RTC, and we print the timestamp, and we make sure there is a small delay, so it's printing every second, so we can have a look when we test it, if it's working.
DS3231, keeping track of time. Tiny crystal brain, now the login's fine. With the best
Thanks everyone for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe and leave a like. And for songs on hardware like the DS3231, just have a look on my profile to see the links. And the next one will be the SD module. See you soon!